Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I knew that when I started running a daycare out of my home, two things that I did not want to sacrifice were style and smell. I took care of both of those things with this Diaper Pail by Dekor, and I love that I got to pick the color of it. Let me tell you, this was the best decision I could have made as far as diaper pails go. This is the most hassle-free diaper pail that I have ever used. It slides right in and the door shuts back up, and you can even lock this door. So if you've got little ones running around and like to really get into things like toddlers do, then they won't be able to get their hands into there. And what's nice about having this double door is that it really keeps the smell in the diaper pail and not out in the rest of the room. I really appreciate this slide button on the side. It's the same color so that it's not super noticeable. It doesn't stand out to little ones. If it had been a different color, it might be something that they want to mess with all the time, and then they can get into the dirty diapers, and we definitely don't want that mess. When you open it up, there is a razor inside so that you are able to slice through the plastic liner. But this razor, even if a little one should get into it, it's not something that they can get their fingers into. I have been so happy with the design and the ease of use of this diaper pail, and it is a fabulous addition to any daycare or any nursery, and you should definitely get one for yourself. And that's my point of view.